So it's definitely a dream come true for me to be a part of the T20 Challengers at 16. I'm very happy and excited to be a part of it. I'm very eager to get on the ground. I was a little shocked when I got to know about my selection. But later, after the news came out that I was there in the team, I was really happy and excited. I was excited to play among all the seniors, like Vitali Raj and a lot of other players. So I was very excited to be a part of it. And I wanted to learn as much as possible, seeing them. And, being around them, it's a big thing at 16. So I was very happy. Yes, I started playing cricket when I was 11 years. I used to practice. I used to play tennis and swimming before. And then somehow somebody told me I play cricket. I hit the ball well. So I joined a cricket academy after one of my father's friends suggested me to join one. So I kept practicing there for some time. So then the coach there told me about what women's cricket is, or who all play, or how it is played. He told me that the state selections are coming up. Just go, participate. You do well, I think you'll be there. He told me you're a good player, so just go give it a try. I went there, sir. So then I bowled well. Then that was my first year. I was in the state team under 16. So that's how I got selected. So I got noticed there. That's how I got selected. Then the next year I played under 19 for Karnataka, and the next year under 23. So from there it started, sir. I actually used to play a lot of gully cricket when I was young. So I genuinely like cricket, but I didn't know anything about women's cricket. But when my father's friend told me about it, I was very interested in joining cricket since I used to play it a lot in the road. So I thought, why not, let me try and give it a try. Let me play cricket. So we did a lot of training sessions. So since we couldn't go outside during lockdown, we had to stay inside our houses. So I did some bowling drills. I had a net in my house. So I did some bowling drills, sir, and I did some bowling and batting drills. And we had online Zoom classes where the trainer in Karnataka used to give us some exercises. So we used to, follow her on the laptop and do it in our houses itself. So I did fitness for 2 months. Definitely at some point during the quarantine, I did feel, when will cricket start? What am I going to do? I am, just bored staying in the house. But then again, I told myself that it's okay. You're gonna, this time also is gonna pass. Soon the cricket tournaments are gonna start. So you have to keep yourself fit, and you have to keep practicing so that you're ready when the tournament comes. So I told this to myself, and I kept practicing. So I've been working on some of the some of the variations and things which I usually do. And since, as you told, slow bowlers are getting a lot of wickets, so I'm mainly focused on bowling the right lengths so that I can beat the batsman. So since I'm a left arm spinner, I asked Ekta Di a lot of questions. She was very generous to help. She told me ye karna hai, wo karna hai. So yeah, so she helped me. So she's like, I'll tell you, you don't have to worry much. So she told a lot of things like that. So not exactly, sir. I just wanna learn, since this is my first IPL. So I just wanna make sure that if I get a chance, I do well in my bowling. And even if I don't, I just want to, look at how the senior players, conduct themselves on the ground, what they do on the ground. I want to learn from them. So for me, it's almost the same, sir. The only thing is you don't get to go outside. So I've been, as I said, sir, I've been doing a lot of drills in the hotel. A lot of drills in the hotel, bowling and batting drills. And I've been focusing on my fitness too. So Yes, sir. During the other time, since we're not able to go out and practice, I watch TV, read books, and engage myself so that I don't, feel anxious and tensed. I actually read. I'm actually reading Percy Jackson currently, sir. Percy Jackson. I'm reading that series now. And as far as Netflix shows, I've been watching Friends. Definitely. So it's a comedy show. Everyone likes to watch it. We can watch it again and again. So I've been watching Friends.